Hello, and welcome to the Daily English Boost. Get ready to learn and grow with fun, easy, and quick lessons.
Hello, welcome back. I am Martin.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kate. We are so happy you are here, really.
We are, because today, I have a question for you, a real question.
Oh, no. Martin has a question.
Haha, yes, here it is. Have you ever been in a clothes shop and you see the perfect shirt or a beautiful dress
Yes?
and you want to try it? You need to know the price, but you feel stuck. Your heart beats a little faster. You just look at the item and hope the price magically appears.
Oh, my goodness, yes. That feeling. I know that feeling so well. You want to ask, but the words, they hide in your head.
They hide, exactly. Your mouth is closed, but your brain is screaming, "What do I say?"
Yes, that is the topic today. That exact situation. Shopping for clothes. Asking for size. Asking for price. Simple, friendly English.
Simple, friendly, useful English. So if you know that feeling, stay with us. This conversation is for you.
Absolutely. And if you're new here, we are Martin and Kate. We talk about real English for real life. If that helps you, please give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps so much.
It really does. And tell us in the comments where you are from. We love to see that. Okay, Kate, shopping.
Shopping. A happy thing, but sometimes a little scary in a new language.
A little. So let's start simple. You are in the shop. You are looking. A shop assistant comes to you. They are usually nice, friendly. They often say, what do they say first?
They usually smile and say, "Hello, how can I help you?" Or, "Hi, are you looking for anything special?"
Right. Can I help you? Very common. So you can smile back and you can say,
You can say, "Yes, please," if you need help, or "I'm just looking, thank you." That's a great phrase. I'm just looking. It means no pressure, I'm browsing.
I'm just browsing, thanks. Perfect. No problem. But today, let's say we need help. We see something. For me, it's always a problem with jackets. I see a nice jacket.
You love jackets.
I do. So I see a nice jacket, but I need to know my size. Size is difficult. Different countries, different numbers.
Ugh, tell me about it. It's crazy. My size in one country is a different planet in another country.
Yes, a different planet. So what can I do? I can ask the assistant. I can point to the jacket and say, "Hello, excuse me.
Excuse me, always good.
Excuse me, this jacket is nice. Do you have it in a medium? Or do you have this in a medium size?"
Nice, simple. Do you have this in medium? Or you can say, do you have this in size 40 if you know the number?
But what if I don't know my size? This happens to me. Sometimes I think I am a medium, but I am really a large.
Martin, this is a true story. Last month, you bought a sweater.
Don't tell the story.
He bought a sweater. It was medium. He tried it at home. He looked like a penguin. His arms could not move.
It was a small penguin. It was terrible. So I learned. Now I ask for help. I say, "I'm not sure about my size. Can you help me?"
That is the best sentence. I'm not sure about my size. Can you help me? They always help. They want to help. They might ask you, what size do you usually wear? Or they might bring you a tape measure.
A tape measure, yes. They say, "Let me measure you." And they measure your chest, your arms. It's very professional. And then they say, "I think you are a 42, a large."
See? Problem solved. No penguin sweater.
No penguin. Thank you, Kate. Okay, your turn. You see a dress, a beautiful blue dress.
Okay, I see the dress on the mannequin, the model, but I want to try it. So I find an assistant. "Excuse me, I like this blue dress.
Good start.
Do you have it in size 12? Or maybe I say, do you have this in a small?
And they might say, "Yes, of course. Wait one moment." Or they might say, "I'm sorry, we don't have size 12. We have a 10 and a 14.
Ah, a common problem. So then I can ask, can I try the size 14, please? Because maybe it's okay. Or I can ask, is it a big 10 or a small 14? Sometimes I ask that.
That's a funny question, but it's true. Clothes are different. So you try it. You go to the fitting room, the changing room.
The changing room, yes. They usually say, the changing rooms are over there. They might give you a number. You can take 3 items. That means 3 pieces of clothing.
So you try the dress, and it's not good.
It's not good. It's too big or it's too small. How do I say this? I come out and the assistant asks, how was it? I can say, it's too big.
It's too big. It's too small. Clear. Or it's a little long. It's a little short.
Or it doesn't fit. Fit is a good word. The fit is not good. Or it fits perfectly. That's the dream.
The dream. It fits perfectly. I'll take it. But then, the price. We didn't talk about price.
The very important price. Sometimes the price is on the tag, the label, but sometimes it's not.
Or sometimes there's a sale, a discount, and you are not sure. So you need to ask. And for some people, asking for the price feels not comfortable.
It does, but it's a normal question, very normal. You can just say, how much is this? Point to it. How much is this, please?
Simple. How much is this? Or what's the price of this jacket?
And they tell you, it's 85 pounds, or dollars, or euros. Then you can think, okay. But what if it's expensive?
Ah, you think it's expensive. You can say, oh, okay, thank you. And maybe you put it back. That's okay. Or you can ask about a sale. Is this on sale? Or do you have a sale on jackets?
Good. Is there a discount on this? If you are brave, you can say, it's a little expensive for me. I said that one time.
What did they say?
The woman smiled and said, I understand. We have some similar jackets over here. They are less expensive. She was very nice. So sometimes it's good to say how you feel.
I like that. It's a bit expensive for me. It's honest. Okay, but let's imagine a happy story. The jacket fits perfectly. The price is good. You want to buy it. What do you say?
You take it to the counter, the cashier, and you say, I'd like to buy this, please.
I'd like to buy this. Or I'll take it.
Exactly. Then they might ask, how would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please. Or cash, please. Then they give you the receipt, the bag, and you say the magic words.
Smiling. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, and you leave the shop happy. No stress. You have your new jacket.
And no penguin sweater.
Please forget the penguin. So this is the simple, ideal story, but real life is different. Things go wrong sometimes. That's okay.
Yes. For example, you try something on and you don't like it. You just say to the assistant, thank you, but it's not for me. A very polite phrase. It's not for me.
Or you buy it. You take it home and you change your mind. Maybe your friend says, Martin, that color is terrible.
Did that happen?
Maybe. So you need to return it, take it back to the shop. This is important. You need to ask about the return policy before you buy. So you can ask, what is your return policy? Or, can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Very smart. They usually say, yes, within 28 days with the receipt. Receipt is so important. Keep your receipt.
Always. So then you go back. You say, excuse me, I'd like to return this jacket, please. It doesn't fit. You give them the receipt, and usually it's no problem.
It feels scary, but it's a normal thing. People return things every day.
Every day. So we talked about a lot. Asking for size, trying on, price, buying, returning. These are the basic parts of the story. But you know what is the most important part?
What?
To be friendly, to smile, and to not be afraid to make a small mistake. If you say, I want this in big size, instead of a big size, it's okay. They understand.
100%. People are usually kind. They see you are trying. A smile and please and thank you are the most important words in any language.
Absolutely. Okay, Kate, let's do a small role play, a quick one. Let's show our friends a real conversation.
Okay, you be the shop assistant. I am the customer.
Clears throat, puts on a friendly shop voice. Hello, good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I like this green coat.
Ah, it's very nice. It's new.
Do you have it in a small size?
Let me check. Yes, we have one small left. Here you are.
Thank you. Where are the changing rooms?
Just behind you on the left. You can take 2 items.
Pauses as if trying it on, comes back. It's a little too big.
Oh, I'm sorry. We don't have an extra small, but this style is quite big. Maybe try the medium in the black color. It fits differently.
Oh, okay. Can I try the black one in medium?
Of course. One moment. Here you go.
Pauses again. This fits much better. How much is it?
The black coat is 79 euros.
Okay, I'll take it.
Perfect. Would you like to pay by card?
Yes, please.
As himself again. See? Simple. Friendly.
And now I have a new coat. I'm happy.
I want a new coat now. Okay, so we talked a lot. Now we want to talk to you. This is the important part.
Yes, we have a question for you. In the comments, please tell us,
What is your favorite item of clothing to shop for? Jackets? Shoes? T-shirts? Dresses? What makes you happy to buy? Tell us. We read every comment.
we really do. We love to read your stories and your questions. If you have a question about shopping or any daily life situation, ask us. Maybe it's our next topic.
So please write in the comments. My favorite thing to shop for is... Simple.
And while you are there, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it helps you because you won't miss our next conversation, and it helps us to make more videos for you.
That's the truth. We love making these for you. So, to finish, remember, the next time you are in a clothes shop, take a deep breath. Smile. You know the words now. Excuse me. Do you have this in medium? Can I try it? How much is this? You can do it.
You really can. Be confident. And if you feel a little nervous, think of Martin in his penguin sweater.
Ah, not again. Okay. Think of the penguin and then do better than me.
Thank you so much for listening, for being here. It means everything to us.
Have a wonderful day, happy shopping, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.